Today, we're delving into a topic that might seem tricky at first: how to divide fractions. But fear not, by the end of this video, you'll be dividing fractions like a pro. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Understand the concept. The key to dividing fractions is understanding the concept. Think of fractions as parts of a whole, like pieces of a pizza. When we divide, we're essentially finding out how many of those parts fit into another. Step 2. The inverse operation: multiplication. Division and multiplication are inverse operations. To divide fractions, you can multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. In other words, flip the second fraction, the divisor, and change the division sign to multiplication. Step 3. Write the problem. Let's say we have the problem 3/4 divided by 1/2. Instead of diving straight in, we can rewrite this as multiplication: 3/4 times 2/1. Step 4. Multiply numerators and denominators. Now, it's time to multiply. Multiply the numerators, 3 times 2, and the denominators, 4 times 1, separately. Step 5. Simplify the result. After multiplication, we get 6/4. But we can simplify this fraction further. Both 6 and 4 can be divided by 2, resulting in 3/2. Step 6. Check your answer. It's always a good idea to check your answer. If we go back to the original division problem, 3/4 divided by 1/2, and replace the division sign with multiplication, we should indeed get 3/2. Step 7. Practice, practice, practice. Like any math skill, practice is key. Try solving different fraction division problems to reinforce your understanding. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to divide fractions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more math tutorials, and let me know in the comments if there are other math topics you'd like me to cover.